with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm making a loaf of bread, but not just any kind of loaf of bread. It's a passion fruit loaf of bread that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have 2 eggs, 1 stick of butter, sugar, self-rising flour, and my passion fruit. This is organic passion fruit that I just picked out of my garden. I am ready to start with this delicious and special passion fruit loaf of bread. Let's get started. I am ready to start with this recipe. I'm going to start by mixing my butter and my sugar. And we are going to mix it until it's nice and fluffy. It's gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's get started. My butter is at room temperature. It has to be soft for this recipe. The eggs have to be at room temperature, or else your bread will not be that spongy. Okay, let's start with the sugar. We're gonna add it slowly. We're gonna mix it completely for about 4 minutes. So I'll see you back in 4 minutes. Okay, make sure that you wipe the sides of your bowl. My butter and my sugar, look, it's already nice and fluffy. Now it's time to add our eggs. And we're gonna turn it on and add 1 by 1. When it's completely incorporated, then we add the second egg. We're gonna mix for about 4 minutes. So I'll see you back. Okay, we're gonna check. When you check and peaks come out, that means that your mixture is ready. Your eggs and butter and sugar is ready. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to sift my flour. I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. I like to sift all the time my dry ingredients. I'm gonna do it slow. I don't want this flour to be part of my makeup. Okay, after we have sifted, we are going to add it to our mixture slowly. And you see that it's incorporated completely. We're gonna raise a little bit. We're gonna swipe the sides, clean all the sides, just to make sure that we have everything well incorporated. And we're just gonna mix it for a couple seconds. Okay, this is ready. You can see the peaks. Okay, I am ready to start with my passion fruit. I'm gonna cut in half. I'm going to need exactly 1/4 of a cup. So I'm gonna start taking the pulp out of my passion fruit. I think I'm gonna need about 4 or 5, I'm not sure, it depends, because every passion fruit has different texture in the inside and different amount. My mouth is even getting watery. This is so delicious. I really love making this this bread here at home. I think this should be enough because these were pretty big. Let's see. I only need 1/4 of the juice and the seeds to add it to my bread mixture. Oh, perfect. Okay. I'm going to turn my machine on and I'm going to add it. We just want to make sure that it incorporates completely. Okay, this is done. Okay. This is done. I have here my baking dish, and I am going to spray it with canola oil just to make sure that my loaf of bread doesn't stick to the walls and comes out perfectly. Okay, just gonna move it a little more and then we're ready to put in my dish. This batter, it's kind of thick. It's not a runny batter, it's a thick batter. Let me show you to you. Look, it's kind of thick batter. I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in there for about 30 minutes. Okay, this is ready. I am ready to put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. I am ready to get it out of the baking dish. Let's see how it comes out. Ooh, how beautiful this looks. Look how beautiful this looks. Let me show it to you from close up. I want to show you how this loaf of bread looks. Nice and crispy from the outside. Okay, I am ready to cut it. Let's reveal how it looks from the inside. Okay, let's cut it and let's see how it looks. Oh, how beautiful this looks. Looks how delicious this looks. I want to show it to you from close up so you see how crispy it is from the outside and how tender it is and soft in the inside. Look at this. Look how you could see the passion fruit seeds. Look at this. This is so soft. The outside is very crispy, but the inside is so spongy. Let me show you how this looks from the inside. I'll move this little piece off. Very tender and very soft. Look at this. I am so ready to taste this delicious loaf of bread. One slice. Let's see how it comes out. I'll see you in a little bit. Done with this loaf of bread. This came out so soft, so delicious, that this is the part I love and I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. But look how beautiful this looks. I have added a little bit of passion fruit right on top, and I added a little bit of whipped cream. Look how delicious this looks. My mouth is already getting watery. I already want to taste this delicious bread. Let's see how it came out. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So tangy, so soft, so delicious. The outside of the bread is so crispy, but yet the inside is so soft. Excuse me. You could have it alone, but this is delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my passion fruit loaf of bread. Bye-bye.